Hello, my cherished viewers in all nationwide. Greetings to you all. We thank the Almighty God for another beautiful day like this. I'm Mavis Nyako, Deroko Technology Official. You can call me Miss Spider Sensor. You have to get your spider sensor to save your life and other properties from fire outbreak. Your life means a lot to Deroko Technology Company. Today is an honor to present Roxanne Kwedo Deborah, a distinguished leader in all fields, a superhero, a very handsome man, an achiever who will share with us on a topic overview of creation.
Welcome to Deroko Technology. Your brother Roxanne Debra, the senior engineer, the CEO of Deroko Technology. Today, I would like to explain something details of the overview of creation. We have many planets existing around this globe. I'm talking of this Earth. We have Venus, Neptune, Mars, Saturn, Mercury, Jupiter, Uranus, and Pluto. These all planets, what are they doing to support planet Earth? They perform a specific task because everything on this planet is made up of elements. And where do such kind of elements come from? These all elements exist on individually on the other planets. Let me use Jupiter for example. This is a gas giant which supports the Earth in many ways. When we come on Earth, we know that the wind that helps the Earth to revolve around the sun or rotate on its orbit, what helps to bring oxygen on Earth? Where do the air comes from? The Earth is covered by a protective mechanism. I'm talking of the ozone layer. The Earth is covered by a magnetic field. So, where is the air coming from outside this globe? The air or the wind in which we breathe need to pass through a process of sieving so that the air will be purified. Talking of eliminating other poisonous gases in it. This is the function of the sea. The function of the sea is to sieve the air and remove other toxic substances in it and put it in the soil. These substances are minerals found in the soil. I'm talking of crude oil and other stuff of minerals, natural minerals, which are found in the soil, comes from this planet because the evaporating of the minerals from other planets mixed with the wind that passes through a process from the sea. That's why always you will see the sea bringing out air. And the sea bringing out the air, we have trees to support to sieve the air for human and animal consumption. The tree converts carbon dioxide gas to oxygen, support us many ways. When we look at the overview of creation, the trees support human beings and other living organisms. Where do that living organisms come from? They come from the sea. some come from the trees, some come from the earth. Why am I saying this? Because you must see to it that trees produce insects. Let's use an orange for example. Orange contain citric acid, and that citric acid that the orange produce, when orange bear its fruit and it's ripe for human consumption, when the fruit falls on the ground, and the fruit is rotten, definitely the fruit is supposed to produce organisms of its kind to come on earth to perform a specific function. To come on earth to perform a specific function. So every organism, every tree produces organism of its kind, which help in cross and self-pollination of the trees. I'm talking of for the tree to bear fruit. But for now, we can see clearly that we are changing DNAs. We are changing the plant DNA by grafting. By grafting. And detaching of other plant to another plant, which are not at the same species, because the DNA, that deoxyribonucleic acid, this genetic things are heredity, and they are generational to the species of the tree. They are generational to the species of the tree. So when we do grafting, then we have changed the DNA, which makes the fruit unable to create insects on its kind. The sun play a major role. The UV radiation from the sun play a major role to support and produces life. I'm talking of when we convert it to electricity, that's the life, and the earth represents neutral. In between the life and the neutral, there is a highly magnetic field, which helps to protect human beings from the UV radiation of the sun. But we have seen clearly that we are destroying things. What thing are we destroying? We are weakening the ozone layer of the earth, making the sun get the upper hand on the earth. The earth is unable to generate its magnetic field. I'm talking of generate its neutral power to support us, to prevent the UV radiation from the sun. What are the things we use to create this mess in the system? We can use the dams, which is electrocuting the earth. We can use the plants. I'm talking of generators. And the deadly one is the solar panel, which is which they use a magnification lens, which weakens the ozone layer.